Art, start, go. In this video, we will draw a candy cane with colored pencils. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. This candy cane was drawn with alternating between two colors. The colors are Scarlet Lake and Grass Green. Once the shape of the candy cane is outlined, the inside is composed of repeating stripes and alternating between the red and green. To keep the lines clean, sharpen the pencil frequently and rotate the tip of the pencil. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.